Okay, let's open up the packages. And it's always interesting that they send the biggest package for just that. Victorinox Lanyards. I got a whole bunch of them. And I got another one in here. Let's take a look. So, the reason I got a bunch of them is because I saw them. Oh, here we go. You can see what it is. Because I saw a vendor sell them for $8.99 a piece. And then they went on sale for $1.25 a piece. So I figured, let's just buy a whole bunch of these things. Because they are pretty cool. And useful. As you can see on this knife right here, I already have a green one. This one is a different color. Let's see which one this is. Take a look here. So, oh, here it is. Alright, take a look at this one. Oh, right, so that's the black one, and then I have a blue one coming in still. So the blue one is in back order. So, and what I like this one, I put the green on, which matches the green, which is the Phillips screwdriver for glasses, which is in the corkscrew. And this one here has the regular flathead for glasses, but I might as well put one of these on there. And this doesn't damage because actually you can see here it has the Victorinox logo on it in rubber with the paracord lanyard, and it's not going to scratch the knife. Although I had a lanyard on there with a couple of brass beads, which already kind of put a couple of dents in it, but that's fine. I mean, they're tools, so there you go. Now this one is actually easier to, because these two, one is a, okay, you can see it. So this is the Huntsman, and this one is the Explorer. And if they're about the same size. So I just put them down. They're easy to detect which one is which by the color. But I've got a bunch of red because I just like them. And anyway, little lanyard video. Victorinox Lanyards. Alright, see y'all later.